President wa Eritrea Isaias Afwerki erega gushera guku bururi-ini mwaka wa 2018 mushimunio wa kiomothe na President William Ruto ukirongoreria kweheria iremithia cia wonjoria gatagati ka mabururi maya meri. Umwe wa mihingi aria atongoria ya maratanya kweheria ari raiya a mabururi maya meri kuhuthira visa riria maraingira mabururi maya. Ruto akiuga gutire umithio wa kiwonjoria ungionekana muhingo uyu uriho.
To facilitate growth in trade and connectivity between our people and our business, we have agreed to abolish the requirement of visa permanently, effective today. Your Excellency, this will build into our desire as a region to create more connectivity, more networking, to enhance business, to enhance investment, to enhance trade.
Oho President Isaias Afwerki nieraniire gucoka ngwataniro-ini ya IGAD ikinya riria ritugiritio ni mutongoria wa bururi, akiuga itemi ya bururi wa Eritrea ngwataniro-ini ino niriguteithia kung'ethanira na mathina ma uhaguku wa ugitiri na ucenjia wa riera thiini wa mabururi maria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ino.
Readily said, no question about that. We're rejoining or coming back again in IGAD with the idea of revitalizing this regional integration organization so that any meaningful bilateral cooperation between Kenya and Eritrea will have to be seen within the context of the integrated region. We cannot achieve bilateral goals without the broader integrated region.
I look forward to working closely with you and the rest of the member states to re-engineer IGAD, make it fit for purpose, and enable it to respond effectively to the needs of our region.
Bururi wa Eritrea weyeheranirie na ngwataniro ya IGAD mwaka wa 2007 thutha wa ngwataniro ino gwitikiria mbiraru kuuma mabururi ma nanja gutumwo bururi wa Somalia niguo kugeria gucokia thayo bururi-ini uyu kuria ningi wararakirwo ni igeria ria IGAD kuingirira ndungamano ya muhaka gatagati kayo na bururi wa Ethiopia gatagati ka mwaka wa 1998 nginya mwaka wa 2000.
I have no intention of interfering in this matter, in spite of the disinformation campaign going on, trying to disrupt the process of peace in Ethiopia and trying to create a conflict between Eritrea and Ethiopia, which has been the norm for those who come to promote their agendas in the region. We say enough is enough. Ethiopia will have to enjoy peace.
The original agreement between Eritrea and Ethiopia was groundbreaking. This is something that was outstanding for many years. The fact that that was concluded peacefully in a progressive manner, and the fact that we are also making huge progress in ensuring that Tigray is safe and secure in accordance with the agreement that was signed is also testimony that the region is taking full charge of issues that affect our region.
Mabururi maria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya IGAD ni hamwe na bururi wa Kenya, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan na Uganda. Ripotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.